approved by Apple for lightning-connected iOS devices that has L3 and R3 fire buttons on its joysticks. And it's hardwired to your iOS device, so there's none of the low latency issues mobile gamers fear with Bluetooth controllers. Not to mention, having a fully featured controller that's hand-sized means you're more in control throughout the game. And they collaborated with LudoMap, a companion app that has thousands of games for iOS devices. LudoMap was designed and built by gamers for gamers, gathering all of the known titles into one app and sorting them into various search categories and charts, as well as sharing gameplay hints and tips. But it's not just games. There are many other apps on LudoMap that allow the Rotor Riot controller to control drones like the Rise Tello, DJI Spark, and TL1 plus many more, allowing precise and lower latency control. So if you want to take your mobile gaming and drone flying to the next level, you need to check out the Rotor Riot controller.
There are two different MSI Force game controllers. The GC20 offers a great all-round gaming experience, while the GC30 adds the benefit of wireless freedom. Both models feature two analog sticks with high accuracy for smooth movement. On top you can find two analog triggers, giving you full control of the game. The MSI Force game controllers excel in durability with their metal D-pad covers. They come with two different designs with a magnetic attachment system, allowing you to switch for your preferred game type. On top of that, the button switches offer a 2 million click lifespan, ensuring the best performance for multiple years of gaming. The GC20 and GC30 are equipped with dual vibration motors to enhance the gaming experience and provide sensory information to maximize your gameplay. The GC20 can be connected to your PC or gaming console using a removable 2-meter long USB cable. In the box you will also find an OTG adapter, so you can connect it to your Android device. The GC30 is connected wirelessly, utilizing a 2.4 GHz wireless connection and a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. However, both the USB cable and OTG adapter are included in the box as well, so you can also use it as a wired controller. If you want to know more about the MSI Force series gaming controllers, make sure to visit our website.